Did you know? There's a place on Earth that hasn't seen a single drop of rain for nearly 2 million years? It's called the Dry Valleys, located in Antarctica. Even though it's surrounded by ice, this region is actually the driest place on the entire planet, even drier than the Sahara Desert. Powerful winds and extremely cold air make its humidity almost zero, making it nearly impossible for most life to survive there. The dry valleys feel like another world, so much so that NASA studies this place as an Earth-based analog of Mars.